So uh, I have to give some updates about what is my current situation and where I am right now. And the last video that I uploaded was about the depressive phase I was going through, in which it was not actually a depressive phase, but a phase where I am very much confused what I will do in my future and where I will be. Though I was very much optimistic in initial days, but over the time I have become unoptimistic, if this that is a word, you can call it that. But also, as the degree is coming to an end, it feels like I have done nothing. It's not only the feeling, actually I haven't done anything. So it's obvious that I will be feeling kind of depressed, hopeless, and like that only. From that time only, I was very much I was I wanted to change my subject combination from botany and zoology to chemistry and zoology at that point, and still now I wanted to change, and I have been going up and down to the office for that matter only, but they were not giving a response at that time. And after quite a few months have passed, and the syllabus is coming to an end, so I at last I left the thought to change the subject in order to be clearly qualifying the degree and leave this place only. But also in my mind there is one thing that I should have changed. I should have tried to change the subject, and I have submitted the form 2 or 3 times, but every time I was getting back, I wasn't able to submit that or in. So that's the one thing, and at last, just 1 week ago, I submitted the form, and next day I withdrew it, thinking that the syllabus is very much tougher in chemistry subject. But I took that decision very fast. I should have not withdrawn that form. If possible, I would have gotten the subject combination I was waiting for since last 2-3 months. But right now there is a regret in this, and I think there is no possible chance to change the subject also right now. But if there is, which I guess there is a chance, 5% at least, but I won't be going to do that, because actually I am still very much unsure about that. But as per the current scenario, I am not going to opt for the subject change. Also, I don't know whether they will give me the subject I want or not, because I have already enrolled in the subject combinations which I got. So yeah, that's one thing. And apart from that, what I have done in these times, the days and months that have been passed, is very much. What I can say about that, it is I have done nothing special to call to say about that, and also I have filled the form of regarding the IIT JAM examinations. I haven't started preparing for it yet, and I guess I am going to fail in that also, but I have to give some efforts to that exam, because otherwise I don't want to actually I don't want to continue my masters in biology subject itself, but I have opted out of chemistry also, and majoring subjects are both related to biology only. I don't find it opportunistic for me only, because I am not interested in this field anymore, and neither I was since class 11th. So the regret which I took from class 11th onwards tends to grow until now, and forever I guess it will be uh, entitled regret for me only, because actually I am not able to communicate with the camera in a flow, as you have already seen in previous videos also, because I am not much fluent in English, and also I don't have anything in my mind mm, which I want to say at the present time right now. I haven't prepared for it yet, so this discontinuation in my speaking for that reason only. So I have to prepare for that exam, IIT JAM, but I haven't done it yet, as I mentioned, and I am planning to give my efforts to that only, because that's the only exam which will let me enter into IITs. But the cutoff and the number of seats are so less that it's quite like impossible for me to enter at this point, since I am not interested in doing masters in this biological subject too. So yeah, I won't be able to give my full efforts to it, but that's the only exam I am which I want to qualify, and nothing else, because nothing else amazes me anymore. I want to go to IIT, but yeah, let's see what happens about that. Okay, bye. I am a failure, and I feel as a failure, and all that connects to my subject combinations in class 11th itself. In 11th, I lost. I opted. No, you can say I got apart from maths. In BSc, I got apart from physics, and in my third and final year here, I got distant from chemistry also. So all that narrows down to the biological subject, which I am not anymore interested to continue studying too. So quite a miserable life right now. Okay, nothing more to say here. Bye.